Hi guys! Welcome po sa ating channel Hugot Sipnayan. Ako nga po pala si Sir JV, ang inyong MathKahugot, at welcome po sa ating channel. So, kung bago lang po kayo sa ating channel, so huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para maging updated po kayo sa ating mga video lesson at other educational video na ating gagawin. Kung meron po kayong suggestion or komento or nais bigyang pansin na topic para po magawan po natin ng video lesson, maaari nyo po akong i-contact sa mga sumusunod po na social media account na naka-flash sa inyong screen. So guys, maraming salamat po sa bisita. So let's have our video now. So hi guys, welcome po sa ating channel Hugot Sipnayan. So ang ating video for today po is all about triangle inequalities. Ito po yung pang-apat na video natin about triangle inequalities, na kung saan diniscuss natin guys yung angle side inequality theorem, side angle inequality theorem, the triangle inequality theorem, and the exterior angle inequality theorem. For this video guys, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay tinatawag nating Hinge Theorem or the SAS Inequality Theorem, at syempre yung kanyang Converse, which is the SSS Inequality Theorem. Now, ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng mga nauna natin diniscuss dito sa item na to? Yung una natin diniscuss guys, those are inequality within one triangle only. But here guys, we're going to deal with two triangles. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, galing po siya sa SAS at SSS Inequality Theorem. So, ang gagawin natin guys ito, illustrate lang natin yung mga theorem na involve ang triangle inequalities. At syempre, ma-discuss natin kung ano ba yung tinatawag nating Hinge Theorem at saka yung kanyang Converse. So, let's have our discussion. Now, let us try to recall muna, ano ba yung relationship between angle and side if we're talking about their measurement. Kapag inag-uusapan yung guys, yung mga angle at side at saka yung kanilang mga measurement, ano ba yung possible way o yung magandang paraan para malaman natin kung ano ba yung relationship nila? So, having our triangle DEF here guys, so sabi, in terms of relationship ng angle at side, in any triangle, the longest side and the largest side opposite each other. So, napansin nyo dito, si angle D, ang opposite niya yung angle EF, which are the bigger or the biggest guys na angle. Tapos yung EF yung longest side. So kapag smallest side naman at smallest angle, sila din yung mag-opposite. Example, si angle E, yung yellow marking, kung napansin nyo po, sila yung magka-reciprocal. Dito naman red, ganun din. At syempre yung mga middle size sila, yung gitna syempre, ganun din yung kanilang ka-opposite. So ibig sabihin, the bigger the angle, yung ka-opposite nila, the biggest the side. Now guys, this concept will be applied sa lahat ng triangle, especially if we're talking about the side na angle ng triangle. So tandaan nyo guys, yung the larger the angle, the bigger the opposite side nila. Okay? Now, let's have the Hinge Theorem. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin, Hinge Theorem guys. So, ito ay SAS Inequality Theorem, na kung saan ang konsepto nito, we're talking about two triangles. Now let me read it. If two sides of one triangle is congruent to the two sides of another triangle, but the included angle of the first triangle is greater than the included angle of the other triangle, then the third side of the first triangle is longer than the third side of the second triangle. So, sa illustration, gato yung ibig sabihin yun, guys. Yung dalawang side ng pareha sa triangle ay congruent. We're talking about the first side and the other side. So, ngayon, meron lang ng diferensya o pinagkaiba between the angle sa gitna nila, which is our included angle. Kung yung angle nung unang triangle ay mas malaki in measurement kesa doon sa isang triangle, sa pangalawa nating triangle, therefore guys, yung third side nila o yung side na ka-opposite ng angle na to ay maapektuhan syempre ang measurement. Kung mas malaki yung angle ng first triangle, therefore, mas malaki siya doon sa isang triangle natin. Therefore, yung side nila will also be affected. Yung side na ka-opposite nung angle sa first triangle natin ay mas malaki kaysa doon sa side na ka-opposite nung ating pangalawang triangle. So, sa illustration, ganitong ibig sabihin niya, guys. So, kung napansin nyo, we have triangle ABC at triangle DEF. So, both of them ay may parehas na side. Ito po yung side AB at side DE, which is, both of them are 10 cm. Parehas silang 10 cm ang sukat. Samantalang si CA at si FD ay parehas 8 cm. So, yung ating theorem na two sides are congruent, na-satisfy nila. Pero yung included angle ay dapat magkaiba dapat, guys, ang measurement nila under the Hinge Theorem. So kung napansin niyo, ano ba yung included angle? Ito yung angle in between two sides. So looking at this equation, guys, so ito yung angle A at angle D. Na kung saan nag-mark to ng yellow at saka red. So dito 95 degree ito yung yellow. Samantalang ang ating red naman is 55 degree. Yung side na ka-opposite nila, guys, ay syempre magbabago ang sukat niyan. So kung napansin nyo dito, this is 15 cm and the other one is 11 cm. Ibig sabihin, sa paglaki ng angle, sa paglaki ng side na ka-opposite nila. Therefore, guys, si BC is greater than EF in terms of the Hinge Theorem. So, kung i-illustrate ko siya, guys, gamit ang ating kamay na to, kung ito yung first side ng isang triangle, ito naman yung the other side, kung napasin niyo yung bukas sa gitna nito, guys, yun yung angle mismo. Diba? Pag binukotok naman malaki, syempre, yung possible na third side natin, kung itong third side natin yung kamay na to, mas malaki siya, syempre, kapag mas malaki yung buka. Pag mas maliit, syempre, mas maliit yung side. At yun, guys, yung tinatawag nating Hinge Theorem, which is, the included angle affect the side or the third side of the given triangles. Okay? Now, let's have some example para mas maintindihan ninyo. Now, which is longer between the line segment DE and line segment AB? Gamit, guys, ang mga triangle na to. So, kung napansin niyo sa ating given triangle, si EF at si BG ay congruent by 11 cm. So, pareha silang measurement. Samantalang si DF at si AG ay pareha 10 cm. So, sinatisfy na yung idea ng Hinge Theorem. Ngayon, titingnan natin, sino ba yung mas malaki between line segment DE at saka line segment AB gamit yung measurement ng kanilang opposite na angle. So, dito, meron tayong measurement ng angle F na 60 degree at measure ng angle G is 50 degree. So, therefore, si yellow ang ating F, dito naman ay red si G. Ngayon, ang tanong, sino yung mas malaking side? O ano yung mas malaking side? Ito ba yung DE o AB? So, definitely, guys, ito po yung DE. So, bakit DE? Kung napapansin niyo, sa ka-opposite. Since mas malaki si 60 kaysa kay 50, edi syempre mas malaki itong DE kaysa kay FB. Kaysa kay AB rather. So ito yung reason. Since angle F is bigger than angle G, therefore the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the smaller one. Mas malaki si F, mas malaki syempre si DE. Mas maliit si G, mas maliit dapat si AB. Therefore, DE is greater than AB. At ito po yung measurement na nagsasabi na si DE ay mas mahaba, syempre, kay AB. At ito po ay, guys, ay under ng Hinge Theorem. Okay? So, let's try another example para mas maintindihan nyo po. Now, dito, which is longer? That will be DB at saka AC. So, syempre dito, kung napansin niyo using the marking, meron tayong marking na green dito. Therefore, si AD ay congruent kay BC. Samantalang yung 3 marking naman, nagsasabi na si DC is congruent with DC. Okay? So, dapat ito 2 marking lang. Pero okay na rin yan. At least, they are marked to be congruent. Now, the question is, mas malaki ba si DB o mas malaki ba si AC? So, let's try to look with their measurement. So, si angle D, guys, ay 110 degree. Samantalang si angle C ay 120 degree. Kaya kung napansin ninyo, kung si angle D natin ay 110 at yung opposite nilang side na pag-uusapan. So, since kayo pag-uusapan natin yung kanilang ka-opposite side, so therefore, angle D is bigger than the angle C. Therefore, the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the smaller one. So, pansin natin, ano ba yung side na ka-opposite ng angle D? Therefore, ito yung AC. Yung isa naman, ang ka-opposite ng C ay DB. Therefore, si DB ay mas malaki kay AC. Since si angle C, guys, ang ka-opposite niya. Ito po yung DB, that will be DV. At saka ito po si AC, yung opposite niya po ay angle D. So, therefore, mas malaki si DB kaysa kay AC since si angle C is greater than the angle D. At ito, guys, ay under ng Hinge Theorem. Now, pinag-aralan natin, guys, na under, guys, ng logical reasoning, yung tinatawag nating mga conditional statement. So, there's also a converse between the Hinge Theorem. Ito naman tinatawag nating SSS Inequality Theorem. Na ang sinasabi naman ito, guys, if the two sides of one triangle is congruent with the other two sides, so therefore, if the third side is longer than the third side of the second triangle, therefore, the included angle of the first triangle is larger than the included angle of the second. So, medyo mahaba-haba. Guys, ito lang ibig sabihin nun. Baliktaran. Kung ang una pinag-uusapan natin, guys, ay yung angle, dito pag-uusapan natin yung side. So, dito, si AB is congruent with DE, CA is congruent with FD, kung saan ang measurement nila ay 10 cm, 8 cm, ang papansinin naman natin, guys, dito, yung third side. Since si BC is greater than EF, therefore, yung ka-opposite nilang angle ay nakabase yung measurement sa kanila. Since si BC ay mas malaki, therefore, si angle A is greater than the angle D. Since ka-opposite siya ng 15 cm. Samantala dito, 11 lang. At iyan, guys, ang tinatawag natin converse. Kanina, pinag-uusapan natin ay from angle to side. Dito naman, guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is from side to angle. At under ito ng converse ng Hinge Theorem. Now, let's try to have some example para mas maintindihan natin yung idea nito. Now, which is bigger between the angle H and angle I? Gamit, guys, yung idea na to. So, kung napansin ninyo, si BI is congruent with EH. Ito yon, the red marking. Si IA naman is congruent with HD, the green one. Now, let's try to look with their side. Kung si AB daw ay mas malaki kay DE, sino sa angle H at angle I ang mas malaki? So, ibig sabihin, since we have DE, ka-opposite niya si angle H. Si AB naman ang ka-opposite niya si angle I. Therefore, since si AB ay mas malaki kay DE, the angle opposite the longer side is bigger than the angle opposite the shorter side. So, ibig sabihin dito, si angle I ay mas malaki kay angle H. Since si AB ay mas malaki kay DE. At iyon po ang pinatutukuyan ng converse ng Hinge Theorem or the SSS Inequality Theorem. Very good. So, let's have other example para mas maintindihan nyo. How about this one? So, si angle H at si angle D ang ating pagkukumpara. Now, kung napasin ninyo, si DH is congruent with DH, the green marking, eto po siya. Samantalang dito, si DI is congruent with HE, the red one. So, sino ba yung mas malaki sa kanila in terms of the measurement? So, obvious naman, Para mas malaki itong DH na to kaysa dun sa kabila. So, angle o the side DE is greater than the side HI. Now, let's identify yung ka-opposite nilang angle. So, therefore, ang ka-opposite nila is angle H at angle D. Ngayon, ang tanong, sino yung mas malaki? Yung bang red marking o the red angle or the yellow angle? So, dito, since si DE ay mas malaki kay HI, therefore, yung angle na ka-opposite ni DE, syempre, siya yung mas malaki. At therefore, si angle H is greater than the angle I using the converse of the Hinge Theorem. Okay? So, ito guys, nagpapatunay na syempre yung relationship between the angle and the side also happen kapag two triangle na pinag-uusapan natin. At ano yun? The longer the side, the bigger the angle its opposite. Okay? The bigger the angle, the longer the side its opposite. Okay? At yung pinatutukayan po ng Hinge Theorem at ng converse ng Hinge Theorem. At sana guys, may natutunan kayo sa discussion natin about the hinge and the converse of it. So, recall na uli natin. Kapag Hinge Theorem ang pinag-uusapan at yung condition ay nasatisfy na dalawang sides dapat ng dalawang triangle ay congruent, kapag Hinge Theorem guys, we're talking about the third side, which is the longer guys, yung mas malaki, ay nakabase doon sa included angle nila. Samantalang sa converse naman, kapag nasatisfy yung dalawang side ay congruent between the two triangles, yung included angle naman guys, ay mas malaki o mas maliit base naman doon sa value ng ating mga third sides. Okay? Now guys, para mas maintindihan natin whether you understand our topic or our discussion about the Hinge Theorem and converse of Hinge Theorem, so I'm going to leave you with this 3 numbered item na ating activity. Now, sasagutan nyo po to based doon sa condition na binigay natin between the triangle ABC at saka DEF. So, you're going to prepare your ball pen guys in your paper. So, you have 5 minutes. Good luck and let's have fun guys. Nasagutan yung mga item na to. So, timer start now. So guys, it seems that you're done with our item. Let's try to check. So para sa ating unang given item, so therefore, na-describe natin na si AB is congruent with DE. Si BC is congruent with EF. So therefore guys, si FD daw ay mas malaki kay CA. So eventually, kung ito po yung ating given na angle, sino yung mas malaki? Si angle E ba o si angle B? So since si FD guys ay ka-opposite niya si angle E, at si CA naman ay ka-opposite niya si angle B, therefore, mas malaki si angle B kesa kay angle E. At yun po yung nagsasabi, since si AC ay mas malaki kay FD. Okay? So, para sa number 2 natin, guys, we have BC at saka EF. Sino mas malaki sa kanila, guys? So, since si A at si D, mas malaki si A kaysa kay D, therefore, guys, si BC ay mas malaki kay EF. Okay? And that will be our answer, greater than. So, number 1 po ay less than. How about sa number 3? So, we have CA at saka po FD. So, since si B ay mas maliit kesa kay E, therefore, si angle E, guys, ang ka-opposite niya ay si FD. Therefore, ang sagot natin ay less than. At ang sagot po natin for number 1 ay less than, number 2 is greater than, at saka number 3 ay less than. And I hope, guys, na tinama nyo po yung mga given item natin. Base po to sa Hinge Theorem. Kung meron po kayong katanungan about our discussion about Hinge Theorem at saka po yung Converse nila, you may comment it down below sa video ito para mas mabigyan pansin po natin at mabigyan ko pa kayo ng other example about this triangle inequality. So I hope, guys, you learned something sa ating video. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe po sa ating channel, Hugot Sipnayan, at saka don't forget po na i-share po yung link natin sa video ito, ng video pong ito, para mas makatulong sa ating mga estudyante. So guys, don't forget to follow me in Facebook. So meron po tayong Facebook po na profile name natin ay Hugot Sipnayan, and my other page po, meron din tayo, guys, na page, yung Hugot Sipnayan po mismo. So kayo na lang po ang tumingin kung nasa po yung mga page na yun. So God bless po, ingat, guys. See you on my next video.